Frog jumps is such a fun exercise to do, and it's so effective as well. You may remember doing this exercise back when you were a kid and you were in PE class. So we're going to do this exercise today because it really sculpts and tones his lower body. So we're going to get into a wide squat. Not a full plie squat stance, but you're going to have your feet wide with a slight turn out with your toes. We're going to get into that deep squat, so bring those hips back and sit down into it, okay? We're going to have our arms. We're going to use our arms for momentum because we're going to be jumping forward. So we're right here. Bring those arms back. As you jump forward, push it up and down. Up and down. Go back. Sit in that squat. Push. Push. Turn it around. Squat and push. And remember to keep those knees in line with those toes. That's why we're going to hinge our hips way back.